Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and two-factor authentication enabled. Once you have that, link your ad account and payment method. Start by importing pages and connecting other platforms, then upload your initial creatives, images, and 16:9 video files, and set default headlines and CTAs. Next, create a campaign shell with objective, budget type, and schedule. Make sure to choose lifetime versus daily budgets correctly. Once done, save as draft and move to audience and placement configuration without delay. You'll create target audiences now. Combine custom lists, website retargeting, and lookalikes while excluding converters to protect frequency. Then build at least 3 ad variations, swap headlines, images, and descriptions so the system can optimize. After that, select placements and specify device and platform preferences, then choose a bidding strategy. Manual bidding gives control, target CPA focuses on cost per conversion. Once bids and pacing are set, enable campaign-level optimization and publish the ads to start data collection. You launch the campaign and immediately monitor core metrics: CTR, CPC, conversion rate, ROAS, and frequency, so you can react within the first 48 hours. If an ad underperforms, pause it and reallocate budget to winners, make bid adjustments, and test fresh creatives. For tracking, confirm pixels and conversion events are firing. If you see discrepancies, reconcile by checking tag placement and deduplication. If billing or disapprovals occur, address account notifications and submit appeals. That single troubleshooting step often resolves launch stalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.